Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome. How are you? Inshallah, today's lesson will be lesson 6 from chapter 8, time to the hour digital. Okay, let's revise together the previous lesson. We have learned that to measure the time, we use what? We use two types of clocks, the analog clock and the digital clock. Okay, we have finished the analog. We know that the analog clock has two hands, one short hand for hours and one long hand for minutes, and it looks like the face, and that's all. It has the numbers from 1 to 12. This is the analog clock. I use the clocks to express the time, to say to know the time. What time is it? I use the clock, of course. Okay, today's lesson, inshallah, we are going to use another type of clocks. It's digital clock. In digital clock, it's different. It's looking like the rectangle, as you see. It's look like the rectangle, and it uses only numbers to show the hour and the minutes. In the digital clock, she has no hands, by the way. She has numbers to show the time. Only numbers, no hands for her. This is the digital clock. I think it's very easy. Here is down the digital clock. As you see here, it's looking like the rectangle. It has two sides, left side and right side, and two dots over each other in the middle. Okay, in the left side I write the hour, and in the left side I write the hour, and at the right side I write the minutes. Okay, as you see here, her face is looking like the rectangle. Here we can say what time is it? It's what time? The hour here is 3 and the minutes is 0. So 0 means o'clock exactly. It's a 3 exactly. There is no minutes. So we say 3 o'clock. Okay? Here what time is it? The time here, the hour is 7 and the minutes 0. So it will be 7 o'clock. Okay? This is a shape of the digital clock. Here it has two dots in the middle, left and right side. At the left side it's 12, so it's 12. And how many minutes? Here 6 minutes, so it's 12 and 6. Okay, the left side I find the hours, and at the right side I find the minutes. As you see here, I have the two types of clock, the analog and the digital. How, if I have here an analog clock, how to make a digital clock? What time is it here? The two hands together at 12, as we said before, will be what time? It's 12 o'clock. Okay, when the long hand at 12, it's o'clock, means 0. 12 o'clock. Okay, here I will write it as a digital clock. The clock will be at the left side, and the right side it's 0 because it's the long hand at 12, so it's o'clock. We are up till now we are studying the hours only. There is no minutes until now. Okay, next one I have, what time is it here? The hour hand at 1, so it's 1 o'clock. The minute hand at 12, it's o'clock exactly, 1 o'clock exactly. How to write it as a digital clock? I write the 1 at the left side, okay, and 0 at the right side because it's o'clock exactly. Also, next one, what time is it? What time is it? Yes, good job. I hear you all saying it's 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Write it as a digital clock. You write here at the right side, the left side, I write the hour, it's 2, and the other side, the minutes are 0. Okay, don't forget. Another examples, I have the digital, make it I have the analog, make it digital. It's what time here? It's 3 o'clock. Make it digital, so write 3 at the left side. Don't forget to make the dots in the middle, and at the right side I write o'clock means 0. The other example, 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. So at the right side, write 2 hours and 0 minutes. Okay, 2 hours, 0 minutes, 2 o'clock. Here also, it's 1 o'clock, 1 hour. It's what time is it? It's 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. O'clock means zeros, no minutes. Don't forget, don't confuse. The hour means the clock means it's zero minutes. Okay, now you have learned to use the analog clock to express the time or show the time. The analog clock has hands to show the time, but the digital clock has numbers, as you see, to show the time. At the right side, I write the minutes. At the left side, I write the hours. Don't forget. Okay, open with me your classwork, page number 597. Exercise 5. Here, what time is it at this analog clock? It's the shorthand at 8, so it's 8 o'clock. Write it as a digital clock down here. At the left side, I write the hour. The hour here is 8. So, and the minute hand at 12, so it's 0. So 8 o'clock. How to say it? It's 8 o'clock. If I asked you about the time, what time is it? You will say it's 8 o'clock. Okay? Number 6. Here, the shorthand, the hour hand at 1. So I write 1 at the left side. And the minute hand at 12, so it's 0. So it's 1 o'clock exactly. No minutes. Okay? Exercise 7. What time is it? The hour hand at 5, so it's 5. I write the 5 at the left side, at the digital clock. Then at the right side, I write zeros because it's o'clock exactly. Next, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. How to write 10 o'clock using the digital clock? You will write the hour. The hour is 10. So I write it at the left side 10. Then at the right side, it's o'clock exactly. So it is zeros. Exercise 9. What time is it? Super. It's 9 o'clock also. 9 o'clock. I write 9 at the left side and 0 at the right side. The last example here in this page, exercise 10. What time is it? The hour hand is pointing to 4. So what time is it? It's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock means the hour, the minute hand standing at 12. Okay, don't forget, if the minute hand standing at 1 will not be a clock, will be 5 minutes. I will tell you this later. Okay, next page. Let's read together the problem solving. Rachel goes to the cafeteria to eat at 11 o'clock. Here is a digital clock here. 11 o'clock. Look how to read it, the digital clock. 11 o'clock. Zeros means o'clock, exactly. She is there for 1 hour. She spent 1 hour eating. She went to cafeteria to eat something. Okay, she spent 1 hour eating. What time does she leave the cafeteria? She have finished. She have finished eating. She spent 1 hour after 11 will be what? She will finish at after 11, 12. So she will finish at 12. Write it as a digital clock here. You have the dots in the middle. At the left side you write the hours, and at the right side you write the minutes. Okay, o'clock means 0 minutes. Okay, exercise 12. Mrs. Webb's class came in from recess at 2 o'clock. Okay, she went to recess and she have finished at 2 o'clock. They were at the recess for 1 hour. They spent recess 1 hour. Okay, what time did they go out to recess? What time did they start to recess? She finished at 2. So 1 hour before 2. Okay, 1 hour before 2. What time they started recess? Okay. So what time comes before 2? It's 1 o'clock. Yes, it's 1 o'clock. Write it at the digital clock here. At the left side, write the hour. It's 1, and the right side, it's o'clock exactly means 0 minutes. Don't forget. Am I clear? Everything is okay? If you don't understand that, just message me, and I'm here to help. Okay, we have learned in this lesson how to use we used already the two types of clock to express the time or to show the time. The analog clock, it has two hands to express the time, one hand for hours and long hand for minutes. And then we have studied the digital clock. It uses only the numbers to show the time or the hour and the minutes. At the left side I write the hours, and at the right side I write the minutes. That's all. Okay, very simple lesson. Hope you all understand. Also, I will send you a video to for more explanation, to be inshallah easier. If someone is not understanding, the video will be clear inshallah. Okay, and our homework will be page number 599 and 600. Okay, thank you guys.